Good morning, class 12 science. In our yesterday's class, we have seen how to uh, what is rate of reaction and what is average rate and instantaneous rate and how to find it. Okay. Now today we are going to see what is rate law expression and what does order of reaction means. Before going that, I want to give you the solution for assignment 13 and you just need to correct it. So for question number 1 you can refer to the notes, okay, that I provided in the video, and for question number 2 also you can refer to the notes. But question number 3, I've asked you to solve one questions. The question was express the average and instantaneous rate of reaction for the following reactions, and the reaction was given as 4 ammonia plus 5 oxygen giving you 4 nitric oxide plus 6 water. Now you need to write down the average and instantaneous rate. So when you write down the average rate, it is written as delta by delta of reactant by delta of time. So since ammonia it's 4 molecule, so and since it is a reactant it will decreases, so negative sign, negative, and that 4 will become 1 by 4 and delta ammonia by delta time. Similarly for oxygen it becomes minus 1 by 5 delta oxygen by delta T. Okay, and for product it will be the increase, so it will be plus 1 by 4 delta NO by delta T, and for water it is 6, so it will become 1 by 6 delta water by delta T. Now for instantaneous rate, that delta will be replaced by d by dt, remember, okay, differentiation. So minus 1 by 4 d ammonia by dt equals to, for oxygen it will be minus 1 by 5 d oxygen by dt plus for nitric oxide it will be 1 by 4 d NO by dt, and for water it will be plus 1 by 6 d water by dt. Okay, so just correct it. Now for today assignment, we need to discuss what is rate law or rate equation. So in our previous classes we discussed about law of mass action. Once again we will come across it, because from there only we can write down the rate law or rate expression. So according to law of mass action, the rate of a chemical reaction at any particular time at a given temperature is proportional to the amount of the molar concentration term raised to power equal to the number of molecules of the respective reactant taking part in the reaction. Now let us try to understand with this. Say for example we have taken a general equation where we have got reaction A, B, C and D, and small letters A, B, C, D are the coefficient, that is the number of molecules that you are taking. So according to the law of mass action, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the molar product of molar concentration of the reactant, each raised to the power. So A and B are the reactant and each raised to their power, A, small a and B. Okay, now when you remove this proportional sign we will put constant, let that constant be K. Okay, now this we call it as a rate equation, or we can call a rate expression. Okay, this expression is based upon theoretical fact and is written for complete balance equation which includes all the steps together. So this is for balanced chemical equation. Next is order of reaction. What is order of reaction means? So order of reaction also comes from the rate law expression. So once again we take the same chemical general equation to understand, and according to the law of mass action, rate is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of the active masses of the reactant is raised to the power of their coefficients. So we remove the proportional sign, we'll put constant K. Okay, that is the rate expression. Now this, the sum of the power of this reactant, small a and small b, will be give you the order of a reaction. Okay, order of a reaction is A plus B. So from that we can define as it is the sum total of the exponent to which the molar concentration are reached in the rate law expression. Okay, so it is the sum total of the exponent. Next we need to remember about order of reaction cannot exceed 3. So it can be uh, zero order, first order, second order, but it cannot be a third order reaction. Next, it can be fraction or zero. Okay, it can be a fraction or zero. Now, types of order reaction that we need to study, we can say zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction. Out of this, we have to give importance to this zero order and first order. Okay. Now, today's assignment 14. What is the rate law or rate equation? Write the rate law expression for the following equation. N2O5, N2O5, that is nitrogen pentoxide, NO2 plus NO3. Then equation 2, we have got NO2 plus F2, giving you NO2F plus F. Okay, so you need to write down the rate expression as we have seen before. Next is define order of reaction, and question 4, what are the different types of order of reaction? Okay, so complete this assignment and send it